Negasngi Chief Minister ka Sarkar Jela o Conrad Sangma chirup wo Education Minister ulakmen Rymbai dailang wa UMLA ka cleared ukermen shela dawan wai pynku kyrdan ke ya ka Rymbai Secondary School cha ka Higher Secondary School. Hagani kasngi de em ka yalang hi wadiyo ikintin pediang buram na principal ka school ka Valencia Mari. UMLA ka thanyu kermen shela de ikubleu yo Conrad nei baha wakam wakularu ya ka district de yo bai waman kam ki hei wadakan mu ya u arhajar khat phra hei por wasdang ha ka sarkar MDA hei wagi kam penroy da lai ki chakman do ongu was ngau kumenu wo yu ya ki sarok wadau chna kam usut nga saipung weda yuluti wo yo ano le saya usarok na skentalang chalum cermit wo penyabi ya ka east wa ka West Giant Hills. Nei liang ulakmen Rymbai do ongu wakani kasngi man ko sa akan mo nei baha iwan iwa da kular ka sarkar daman sekiat i hapo i yakmat u chief minister wa ini jia i hawarok kawi ke jela. Do ongu wakani ka sarkar kre ko liang wanang yo pynku yei pura puthi i cha ikhia ki khenro wakiwi dei wakentu ya ki pajba wo kre lang wa ka sarkar. Heyato waki wasikai da pentip u wachwa ka Christmas u Pynbna ka sarkar yei rai ko. Kam ukong san ukon rat ki sangma da kan mu yei por wawan nangkong wa Rymbai na do waman chief minister kam wa nyaus nem tam hei wa usurok da man wasi bha kaskim sam ko wada sange wei menda wan unni wo yu yei kre wada pendep pen sngau hun mensin bha i yo yu yei kala wa wanra ka sarkar hakis nem wada dem do ongu wada man ikam ram ka sarkar wa wanra yei kala han lam to i wasuk wo le yei ni ne bha hi por wasdang hau arjar khat phra da yu chitom u wanra yei kala ne bha wa em chibun ithut irukom kre kam ha ka sarkar na do ka paisa irukom kre ke chnat sarkar wa kiwi Cucu da kular wo kre chirup wo wanra ya ka Rymbai wa ka district kamju ka jalla chaprang hei wada ongu le wa mkular u iwan ne ne benta ka skor ne bha mkwa wo kuddu hei kular don hi hei jo ipor da Pynbna ya ikre ya artali ki sarok sutanga saipung lang baga wolbang hei lut wa chispa chpau kulur hei wada pen kre ya ka DPR wei ki kre u ikti ya ki hawa sedang araja arphonru da Pynbna ya usarok na lum cermit cheskan talang lang ba ko donor ministry ya ka wada pediang na ka ministry wedang yang poisa nei benta ikre hagani ka yalang de yo le iklam na ya selok ki lang do na ka chnong Rymbai u bante lang je kharshandi director of school education and literacy kadwa uriki de meki ding do district school education officer de eu yekin tin khublei yagani ka sngi da panphu de ichat wa irwai
under the World Bank project it's close to about 110 crores and the DPRs are being prepared. I expect that we should be able to allot the work sometime in early February, March, and post which the work should start. I'm also happy to inform all of you that based on the recommendations of the Honorable MLA, the Lumchirmit to Skentalang Road, this also we have proposed under the NESEDS program for the donor ministry, and just want to inform that it has been approved by the ministry and administrative final sanction is awaited. The DPR is being prepared, so by next financial year I expect that this also work should be allotted and work should start. Thank you so much. Keeping in mind the challenges that are there in front of us, whether it was financial challenges, whether it was the overall capacity of every department to absorb the different schemes and development, whether it was the overall lack of general infrastructure and a lack of motivation, a lack of vision, all of these challenges were there in front of us. But we put our heads together and we decided that we will not let those challenges in any way demotivate us or stop us from moving forward. I remember telling my team, whether the cabinet or the officials, we have a long journey ahead of us. Let us not get discouraged by looking at this big mountain in front of us. Let us start with the first step. And slowly and steadily, before we know it, we will climb the mountain. And today, looking back, it gives me, as I said, a deep sense of satisfaction
I'm not saying that we have climbed the mountain yet. There's a long way to go. A very, very long way to go.